Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. We have exciting news to share with you today about the upcoming Galaxy high-end flagship. Before the formal announcement, a new unpacking of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. After creating some lovely pinkish bronze and green hues, the renewed concept designer posted additional high-resolution concept renders with the hashtagging Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra unboxing on his Twitter profile page. We may get a preview of the Galaxy S23 Super new official unboxing renders thanks to these fresh 3D images. Amazingly, every component has been shown by the concept creator in his new concept design of how the next Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will appear. Know that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone is in front of us. We can declare that its most futuristic design appears more believable. Several renderings of the upcoming massive South Korean flagship have already been released that demonstrate the many colors and the front and back design. The only distinction between the recently released renders that we could find and the only thing included in the renders that were previously shared was the smartphone packaging, and that box provides us with a breathtaking glimpse of a brand new concept design. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra concept first unboxing video is available for viewing right now. Early in the next year, Samsung will unveil its new Galaxy S23 smartphone family, whereas a tech expert on Twitter posted an unofficial unboxing of the flagship Galaxy S23 model. Undoubtedly, the large South Korean corporation will publish an official hands-on video soon after the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone's launch. We still have months to go, so this is premature. Meanwhile, it's wonderful to see a head that, at the very least, appears more realistic in light of the introduction of the 200-megapixel image sensor. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will reportedly come with a new camera modem. It is unclear if the Cell HP1 or another unnamed sensor will be used. Less precise ISO sensor has not yet been made public. Samsung could make use of the 200-megapixel HP1 sensor first generation. The last few days, Samsung has been employing a brand new shade of Bora Purple. The choice to launch fresh iteration of the already released Galaxy S22 line of devices, aside from the most recent Samsung Galaxy Z Flip leak. We showed the future foldable clamshell color design option. Samsung is anticipated to employ the same approach with the Galaxy S23 series as well. The Xiaomi 12T Pro and Motorola Edge X30 Pro smartphones are said to be outfitted using the most recent 200-megapixel super camera sensor. According to reports, the Samsung Galaxy S23 range will debut in February 2023. I am done for now. Until the next video, please follow our channel for additional updates and take care of yourself.